Alright YouTubers, here's a quick project of fixing my faded bumper with tiger stripes. I think when it's done it looks pretty good.
So normally I use this trim restorer to clean that off, but we're going to do something different this time. So step one is I'm going to use a super clean degreaser.
Just a quick cleaning, nothing intense. And it was pretty dirty.
Look at that. That's nasty. Now I'm going to use this Rustoleum trim and bumper paint. I'm going to paint it.
With almost any project, this is the same. It all comes down to prep. So it's very important to tape it and cover it right so you don't get paint everywhere. I also put my wheel covers on and then I put a plastic bag over those. I just didn't want to get any paint on my wheels.
All right, here we go.
It's a really simple project. Now you can put primer down first, but since my bumper's so old and ratty, I didn't need it. I am not a painter by trade, and it shows.
Looks okay. It's tough in the wind. That's... All right, I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. I think it's pretty good. I mean, not great, but pretty good. And now, of course, that I'm not painting, the wind died down. As soon as I start painting, the wind picks up. See? GoPro stopped recording. All right, I'm gonna let it dry. I can see the mistakes, but it looks a lot better than it did. So, yeah, try something like this. You might upgrade a little bit.
Yeah, it wasn't perfect. There's a few little imperfections I could find on it, but overall, for a pretty cheap can of paint, and I didn't use primer like you can, it looks good.
And yeah, it'll make for a great and wonderful day. All right, I'm gonna take the tape and stuff off.
In real life, some time has gone by.
All right, you get the idea, I think. Yeah, that's enough of that. I'll show you when it's done. Go. All right, it's clean. Look at there. Came out pretty good. All right, I'm gonna take some chrome polish to that front bumper.
As I look at it, I think it came out pretty darn good. Definitely better than that stuff that lasts about a month or two. Try this Rustoleum product.
All right, YouTubers, there you go. I think it looks better. Chrome's polished up. The bumper looks pretty good. Have a great and wonderful day.